Welcome to IC Markets. In this video, we will walk you through on how to locate my server on iOS MT4. For fast executions, it's essential to get connected to the right server to get started. Download and install the MetaTrader 4 application for your iPhone. Then follow these steps. Open MetaTrader 4 on your iPhone. Tap the settings icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. To add a new account, tap on the New Account menu item. Now you can log into your existing live account. You recently received an email from IC Markets containing your login information. Find the server where your account is registered by typing in the server name you received in the email. You can select from the drop-down list of all IC Market servers or input your server name now. You'll be asked to enter your information login with your MT4 account number and the password you set. During registration, never save a password on a shared device. Swipe left to gray out the Save Password option if you are sharing a device. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be taken to the Quotes tab to view live quotations. If that doesn't happen, please check you have entered all the information correctly. If you still need assistance, there's a more detailed guide available. Your server setup is now complete. For further information, please visit our website or contact our support team. Welcome to IC Markets, the world's leading multi-asset CFD broker.